Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a perspective shadow effect on this text and how to change its colors. After my last video, a lot of people asked me how I created that shadow effect. I couldn't explain it in that video, so I'm making this video specifically for that shadow effect. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to create this text effect. You can check it out by following the link in the description. Select the text, go to the Type menu, and create outline. Right-click on it and copy. Then open the Photoshop. Keep the same document size of 1920 by 1080. Go to the Edit menu and paste it. Select the Smart object and hit OK. Open the Layer panel, press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Select the first layer, go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and Path Blur. Change the basic blur to Rear Sync Flash. And follow me. And hit OK. Here is the important part of it, add a layer mask to it. Select the brush tool, follow my brush settings. Make sure the foreground color is black. And paint it to remove all the background shadows from the letters. Follow me here. I'm going to fast forward this process to save time. Select both the layers, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. And drag this back to the Illustrator. To apply the color on it, create an artboard size rectangle. Apply the gradient to it. And change its blend mode to lighten. You can change the color on it, using recolor options. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.